Alright. I am coloring my beard. Okay, so while I have that going, I'm gonna cut my hair good. I use the Wall Seniors. Give myself a ball fade against the grain to get all the hair off my head. Alright, so now I'm going to cleanse my skin. Takes probably about like 5 to 10 minutes for the exfoliation and work on the skin to pull all the dirt and all the debris. This is my weekly regimen. I cut my hair, I color my beard, and I clean my skin. Make sure my skin is baby bottoms ball clean. So a little background about me. I am 44. I'm a graduate of Pattonville, Hazelwood East, and North Tech. I started off at Pattonville, transferred to Hazelwood East, and went to North Tech. I played with some of the football greats. Brian Lewis, Corey Lewis, Reggie Germany, Corey Bush, Brian Schaefer, Brian Fletcher, Terrell Fletcher. These were some of my teammates coming up. Scott Starks, David Richardson. A lot of these guys, Brandon Massey, a lot of these guys played college ball, went to the NFL. John Taylor is from the San Francisco 49ers. That's one of my uncles. Had a good time playing football. Played football, basketball, ran track and field, boxed at walls. Was the captain of the football team, captain of the basketball team, captain of the volleyball team. When I graduated high school, I had a scholarship for basketball, football, volleyball, and track and field. And I ended up going to community college and majoring in radio and television broadcasting and mass communications, and working with music artists for probably about, well, I still do it now, over the last 20 years. That's what I've been doing. Producing, making beats, DJing, working with professionals, working with professional teams, working with athletes, working with music artists, beauty enthusiasts, and then I went and got a cosmetology and barber license and put everything together. So what you're looking at on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook is my niche. My niche is hair, music, and food and entertainment. That's my niche. That's what I love to do every day. I eat, sleep, breathe hair, and every day that I'm doing hair, I eat, sleep, and breathe music. I hear music in my head right now. Like, I can literally go on my computer right now and crank out a beat in 5 minutes and it'll sound like something that's on the radio. If you need beats, check out my website, www.stylistjohn.com. I do studio sessions once a week. I record, I mix, I master. I also shoot music videos on top of doing my beauty content every day. So if you need music or you need a DJ, hit me up. DJ rates start at $500-$600 with speakers. That's a 4-hour event with speakers and a microphone. I love doing team parties, I love doing college parties, and I love doing corporate events. Corporate events start at $1,000 and go up from there. My phone number is 314-359-5499. I want to give a shout out to my football friends, Reggie Germany. Salute to you in Ohio, bro. Salute on the cookies. You and your wife on the cookie restaurant y'all own. It's probably about like 4 or 5 of that y'all own now. Salute y'all. This haircut, I'm gonna call this haircut the Ridge of Germany, and the reason why I'm gonna call it the Ridge of Germany is because, you know, we both had hair going in high school, but you used to rock the bald head before me. You know what I'm saying? You made it look cool, so salute you, my brother. Young Jeezy, I salute you in Atlanta. You rocked the bald head before me. You made it look cool. I salute you, my brother. For those of y'all that don't know, Young Jeezy is one of my favorite music artists. The reason why I like Young Jeezy is because of his hustle. Okay, he was a brother that turned mud into money. So you can think of an idea, which is mud, right? God created us from the dirt of the ground, right? And then he made us into a living soul and breathed the breath of life into us, right? Okay, so when you get something out of the mud, that means that you start off with nothing, like scratch, right? And you grab mud, and what's mud? Mud is dirt, right? And then you mold this mud of dirt into something in your hands from an idea, and poof, it becomes something, right? That's how God made us, and so like we are also creators, and so like I want to give a shout out to my creative brothers and sisters, especially like Young Jeezy. Young Jeezy is a creator, and he created mud into money. Okay, so shout out to Young Jeezy in Atlanta. You probably in Atlanta and California. I know you travel. Shout out to my homeboy Gold Bar. My homeboy Gold Bar. He got a clothing line. Kyle Ambitious Collier. Okay, Gold Bar. I want to give a shout out to Gold Bar. He had Young Jeezy laced in the Gold Bar, the Chic collection. Okay, if y'all never heard of Kyle Ambitious Collier, that's one of my comrades, one of my brothers from Hazelwood East. He got a clothing line called the Gold Bar. It's called Ambitious Clothing Line. He got a Gold Bar series. Okay, the Gold Bar series is the shirts and the hats that got the Gold Bar on there. Okay, it's the official Kyle Ambitions clothing line. When you see the Gold Bar, he had a whole collection called the Chic collection. And when you think of a chic, right, you think of like a king in the desert. It's like a hood. It's real fresh. Like, go online and check it out. www.ambition clothing line and look up Kyle Ambition Collier. Okay, he played football. I played football with him at Hazelwood East. He's a good brother, and his clothing line is doing numbers. And he had Young Jeezy in the collection, and that photo shoot that they did was dope. And Jeezy rocked the bald head just like this. Okay, so it's time for me to go ahead and exfoliate the skin. I love doing the hot towel. So this service that I'm doing on myself is called the Elite Service. The Elite Service starts off with a gray shampoo, hot towel, like what I'm doing right now, to pull off the dirt and pores. Okay. The add-on would be the hair color and the exfoliation. Okay, so actually this service that I'm doing on myself called the Elite Service, which is a haircut, mustache, beard trim, razor line, hot towel. This is the hot towel. And all you do is just pull off the dirt. I'm also pulling off the color. So the Elite Service is the shampoo, hot towel, mustache, beard trim, razor line. Okay, and the add-on would be the hair color, which is an additional $50, and the exfoliation, which is an additional $50, for a total of $200. Okay, what I just did on myself is a $200 service, and there are brothers that pay this $200 with no problem. CEOs, business owners, professional athletes that want to keep clear skin, keep their beard nice and charcoal, and to have this Ready Germany, this Young Jeezy, this Stylist John look right here. This is the magazine ready look right here. If you would like to book your Elite service, you can book me online at www.stylistjohn.com, 314-359-5499. I can get you fly.